गुड मॉर्निंग टीम। सो आज हमें ओपन कहां पर मिल सकता है? ऐसे एसजेएक्स निफ्टी सजेस्टिंग समवॉट फ्लैट टाइप ऑफ ओपनिंग, not there is something big gap up or big gap down. It is muted type of opening, so we have to be cautious. And if we talk about the opening in the Nifty, because currently it's indecisive, we cannot say that how much. Yes, it is going to be somewhat 20 point, 30 point, like that. It can be anything, but we have to wait for the actual market opening location, because that's the possible option currently. So if we see, then on the higher side from the previous day close, okay, from the previous day close, from this range to the higher side, we are having this CPR and we are having the DR3. So these are the possible location for the resistance. Why resistance? Because it is the above from the previous day close. So one have to be cautious in this range. Talking about the bank nifty has also the same case from the previous day close. Previous day close was 458. Okay, so from this range to somewhat on the higher side. So here also we are having the CPR line over here. Okay, these three lines are the CPR, and on the higher side we are having this range. Talking about the market profile, look, on the market profile we are having the POC at this place on the lower side, and market opening is going to be somewhere around here. But if you see, then if you see the structure, then structure is quite well distributed, okay, from the yesterday. So one must have to be one must have to be cautious in this range, because market is feeling well good to trade inside this range. Why? Because if you see, then from past 2 days we are having the same distributions in the same range. So either of the range is going to be break, then that will be very good trade opportunity. Guys, carefully listen to this. Either of this range, okay, which levels? Look, on this chart, if market is breaking this range, this is the supply zone, this is also the supply zone. Here from this range, market was starting this fall, but here it took some break and then again it fall. But as market is going to recover, okay, if there's the probability, because we have to wait for the actual market opening location. If market is going to well cross this range, okay, and close above that, then it will be very good trade opportunity to trade on the higher side, because that might break this all-time high and again it will move on the rise on the higher side. But what for the lower side? Lower side we are having the virgin levels. That's it. This is the virgin level. Okay, below that we are also having this virgin level. So one must have to go for those virgin levels if market is going to break this PDL. Okay, and at that PDL we are having this DS3. So that's the confluence area. And the higher band, as I shown you in one of those pre-market analysis video, that we are having we are at the very good resistance. We are at the extreme level. Yes, it is the all-time high, but that's not the case only of the all-time high. We are having the this DPZ, okay, the double pivot hot zone. So we must have to look for this. These are the yearly levels, and at the yearly level, I said to you that market must have to form some base over here. So that's the case. Market formed some base, and now it is trying to move on the higher side. Okay, it is trying to move on the higher side, and it is breaking all-time high on day-to-day base. So one must have to be cautious if market is breaking yesterday's high and well closing above. Then the PDH closing well above the PDH, then there might be the very good probability that in the next week we might get the good big up movement. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Else what you have to do for the intraday trading? Follow the initial bands and the 6 steps